In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an inquiry in HoneyBook, specifically through their lead form feature. This guide will walk you through the process, helping you gather leads effectively for your business endeavors. To get started, head over to the home section in HoneyBook. Once you're there, you'll want to direct your attention to the top right corner of the page. Here, you'll find an option labeled New. Give that a click. This is your entry point to crafting new documents or forms in HoneyBook. Next, you'll be presented with a few choices. For our purposes, you'll select Lead Form. This option allows you to create a customizable inquiry form that can be shared with potential clients or customers. It's an efficient way to capture information and begin nurturing these important connections. Now that the form is open, it's time to add your questions or fields. This is where you tailor the form to suit the specific needs of your business. Consider including fields for essential information, such as the name and email of the lead. You might also want to ask about the project type, which gives you an idea of what the inquiry pertains to. Other useful information might include the event date or additional details about the project. Finally, an additional notes section can be helpful for gathering any extra information the lead might want to share. Moving on, you have an option to customize the design of your lead form. This step is optional, but if brand consistency is important to you, it's worth considering. Here, you can incorporate your company's logo, select brand colors, and choose fonts that align with your overall aesthetic. These little touches can make a significant impact as they reinforce your brand identity and help your form stand out. Once you've added all the necessary fields and finished any customizations, it's time to save and share your new lead form. To do this, simply click on Save, ensuring all your hard work is properly stored. From there, you have a couple of options for sharing the form. You can choose to generate a link to share directly with clients, or if you prefer, embed the form on your website. This makes it easily accessible to anyone visiting your site, offering a seamless way for potential clients to submit their inquiries. And there you have it. You've successfully created and shared an inquiry form in HoneyBook. By following these steps, you're making it easier for prospective clients to reach out and connect with you. As inquiries start coming in, you'll have a streamlined process for managing leads, which can greatly enhance your client engagement and business growth. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this has been a helpful guide for your HoneyBook journey.